Painting can be a difficult, messy job. When it's just you, your trusty spray gun, and the parts you're painting, do you sometimes wonder, how could this process be made easier? Well, today we're here at the spray booth. We're going to talk about some accessories which may make your job a little less messy and more efficient. Let's take a look. There, I'm Julia here at Finishing Technologies. All the painters out there know what a messy job painting can be. Today, I'm going to show you some options that may help make your projects just a little bit easier. This isn't intended to be a complete list, just some of the basics. So if you have a specific need, let us know and we'd be happy to help. Let's start by talking about air controls. If you use a pressure tank, especially if your spray gun is HVLP type, you may not enjoy going back and forth to your airdrop every time you need to make a minor air adjustment. If your pressure tank has one regulator, consider adding a second one. One quick note of caution: each regulator is plumbed differently. The first one controls the pressure inside the tank, but otherwise allows the air to completely pass through unregulated. The second one regulates all the ports. It is important to order the correct regulator for your job. Call or email us and we'd love to help. Next, you may have seen one of these. People in the industry call them a cheater valve. They're very convenient devices which fit right on the bottom of your paint gun. These are super handy, and some even come with a built-in pressure gauge. Now, it's important to note why these are called cheater valves. It restricts the air, it doesn't regulate the air. So the pressure you'll end up getting, while convenient to adjust, isn't necessarily going to be consistent. We would recommend you refrain from using these where air volume is at a premium. If you wish to regulate the air instead of just restricting it, try this. This is a miniaturized air regulator designed to fit into the bottom of your paint gun and easily adjust. These also include a pressure gauge so you can fine-tune right at the handle. As a bonus, you can also use this as a second regulator on a smaller 2-quart pressure tank. As you know, having a clean air supply is critical to a great paint finish. Best intentions sometimes, though, mean it's not always perfect. This is the DeVilbiss HAF air filtration bulb. One of these inline air filters can be added right to your gun and help filter out those contaminations before it reaches your paint. Something to note about these filters: be careful as they can restrict the airflow, which again can be bothersome, especially to the HVLP system. It's a good idea to test that you have adequate airflow after you put one of these in line and before you start to paint. These are sold by the each and also available by the 12-pack buckets. Now let's talk about cleanup. Never a fun time, but there are ways to make this better. This is a very simple, inexpensive gun cleaning kit with different tools and brushes for cleaning your equipment. The big brushes for the exterior and the smaller brushes for those fluid nozzles and air caps. The kit even has needles for getting the dried paint out of your air cap. Careful not to score your metal parts. Next up, let's talk about paint pressure tanks. Depending on your brand, size, and model, most pressure tanks have packs of liners available. Whenever you need to clean out your paint tank, wipe up the draw tube, dispose of the liner, and now you have less mess in the tank to clean. These liners are form-fitted for the pressure tank you're using. Often have numbers up the side for you to measure the volume of paint as you pour. Consumables painters go through a lot of are mixing cups. This brand, High Tech, comes in sizes from a half pint up to a 5 quart. These can be purchased with or without lids. The cups themselves are translucent to help with accurate fill level measurements for paints, coatings, for proper mixing, colorization, and controlling the batch quantities. There's even a touch-up bottle for those small scratches later. Check out our website, and there's a link for everything we've discussed below. So there you have it, some simple add-ons or new ideas to help make your painting job just a little bit easier, faster, and more convenient. If you have questions, we'd love to hear from you. Our contact information is right here on the screen. Give us a call, visit us on the web, or send us an email. If you would like to subscribe, like our channel here on YouTube, we will be posting more videos that can help with your paint shop. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.
Call or order online at finishing.tech.